That was some great party. My head hurts. My head hurts. Hey, sh- yeah, you, you there, cutie. What's your name? Oh, my name's Chase. Yeah, and you remind me of someone. Uh-huh. You look like my boyfriend. um, why do you look like my boyfriend? Oh, because it's you? I didn't know that my boyfriend was so attractive. God damn, bro. You're one fine meal. Uh-huh. Like you're an entree. You're the main course with your dreamy eyes and your perfectly trimmed hair and those bulging muscles. Yeah, you're like a Greek god. Hmm? I'm not lying. You're so mean. Why do you think that I'm lying? Hmm. Of course. Don't believe it. Yes, it's true. I told you you're one attractive person. Uh-huh. So, if you're my boyfriend, did we kiss already? Really? Wow. I think my first kiss is magical. Yes. I can't remember it though. Sorry. But I think it's magical. Hmm. Did we have our date already? Really? Where did I take you? Oh, you took me out first. Hmm. I should have took you out first. No, I'm not crying. I'm just sad. No, it's okay. Where did you take me to our first date? Oh, that Italian restaurant downtown? I hate that place. Why? I love that place, but I think I hate it. They serve dry pasta. Uh-huh. The pasta that they cook is dry, but the sauce for their carbonara is yummy. Uh-huh. And that fettuccine. Oh god. I think it's freshly made, but it's dry. I have another question. Does our parents know that we're together? Why? They do? But how long have we been together? Why? What? 5 years? Bro, why did I even forget about that? Maybe I'm just too drunk. Drunk. My head still hurts. Uh-huh. But I think it'll go away in the morning. Oh, one more question. Did we do the deed already? Huh? What? The deed? Like, me and you laying on a tree? Fucking. That sounded so wrong. Did I ruin your childhood because of that song? Me and you just sitting on a tree. Fucking. I think it's perfect. Uh huh. But did we do it already? Did we do it already? Really? Oh, I was your first time? Oh my god. I feel so honored. Hmm. Thank you for offering yourself to me. What? I'm the one who offered myself to you? Oh god. I I I I bottomed. What? Oh god. Did I complain about it? What? I said that I love it? I don't remember, but I think I do love that. Yeah, whatever it is. Yeah, it's just me and you sitting on a tree. Fucking. Oh god. But um we're boyfriends, right? You're my boyfriend. Mhm. So, can I get a kissy on the lips, please? Aww, but you're my boyfriend. Why can't I get a kiss on the lips? Mhm. Why? Just give me one reason. My breath smells bad. Aww, I'm sorry. I just got drunk too much. I'm sorry. But can I just get a kiss on the cheeks? Please, just the cheeks. Mm-hmm. I'll be a good boy. What? I'll be a good boy so that I can get a kiss on the cheeks. Uh-huh. Please. Please, can I get a kiss on the cheeks? I need it so I can go to sleep already. Aw, that was short. Another one, please, on the other side. That's the last one. Yeah. Wait, wait. It feels weird. Yeah. Uh, what did I call you? Baby? Uh, baby, can you come here, please? I just wanna tell you something. Hmm. Don't you ever lie to me. I know what I'm doing. Caught you. Even though I'm drunk, I know what I'm doing. Yeah, it's okay. I love you so much. Now, come on and give me a proper kiss. Now, all settled? Let's go to sleep. My head still hurts, baby. Huh? Yeah, I love you so much. Yeah, come on, cuddle up to me. Mm, there. Now, are you comfy? Hmm, good. So, let's sleep. Get me some Advil and water tomorrow, please. Okay. Love you.